One of the main things you will learn during your college career is the ability to think critically and creatively as you develop and write your assignments. Sometimes an instructor will allow you to choose a topic to write about, while at other times you will be assigned one. This can be a paralyzing request. The presentation will equip you with the skills you need to think creatively and generate ideas for your papers. This presentation is an overview of the invention process. Before you continue watching, we recommend that you choose a topic or issue that interests you, but that you currently don't know much about. That way, as you learn the techniques, you can apply them to your topic. The techniques we cover are called brainstorming tools. You may find that some are more useful to you than others, or that certain topics lend themselves to certain techniques more easily than others. Using these techniques on your topic will help you to generate more ideas, improve your writing, and make your assignments much less complicated to write. Brainstorming is a type of free association that allows you to generate ideas. You can brainstorm independently or with others. Brainstorming with others is particularly useful, as they often come up with ideas on the subject that hadn't occurred to you and that launch you into a train of thought you may not have reached on your own. Brainstorming also allows you to get your ideas on paper and easily see the relationship between them. There are several techniques you can use for effective brainstorming. Let's start with free writing. Free writing is just like it sounds. The goal is to generate a block of text, anywhere from a paragraph to a page or more, without worrying about quality, organization, or grammar. This allows you to generate ideas and get past writer's block without worrying if an idea is valuable or not. When you free write, you can either write by hand or type. The important part is that you get something on paper. Here are some tips for effective free writing. Set a time limit of 8 to 10 minutes. Don't stop writing or typing during that time. Write quickly. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, or punctuation. Do not judge your ideas or self-edit. Throw out your inner critic. Instead, let one idea lead to others. Remember, at this stage there are no bad ideas, so write everything down. This exercise values quantity over quality. When you are done, reread what you have written and circle key words or ideas that seem to have potential. Good writers often use key words or ideas they find during free writing as a foundation for their essays. You can even free write on those ideas to explore them further, or perhaps try a different brainstorming technique with them. Begin to group similar ideas together that you can use later to develop your paper. This is a great time to begin your research. Head to the GCU library databases and begin using your keywords as search terms to gather preliminary research on your potential topic. Feel free to contact the GCU library for help with your research if you should need it. Mapping, sometimes referred to as clustering or webbing, is another way to outline your ideas in graphic form. Mapping or clustering techniques help you visualize how different aspects of your topic connect and interweave. Mapping can be used as a brainstorming technique or after a brainstorming session to help you organize the ideas that were generated. Mapping is a visual way to find ideas and make connections. Let one idea lead to another. You can use different shapes to show main topics, subtopics, and specific details. If an idea doesn't fit, eliminate it before outlining and drafting. Outlines often can be quickly and easily created from a map or a cluster. Here are some tips for mapping your ideas. Draw a small circle in the middle of your paper and write the name of your topic within the circle. Think of ideas that are important to the topic. Draw arrows to other circles and write the subtopics. Draw arrows to more circles and write details and specifics for the subtopic. Do this for each subtopic you think of. When you're done mapping, review your work and decide which ideas you'd like to use in your paper and which you need to get rid of. The remaining ideas in your map become the main ideas for your outline. Another brainstorming tool is called questioning. Questioning can help to generate ideas for your paper. To begin, write your topic at the top of the page. Ask yourself questions about your topic as if you were a reporter writing a news story. Answer with as much detail and specifics as possible. Think about the different ways each question relates to your topic. The more fully you answer each question, the more details you will have to write about. At this stage, don't worry about crafting perfect responses to the question. This questioning technique has the potential to give you more depth and detail to use later in your paper. Our final brainstorming technique is called cubing. Cubing will allow you to explore a topic in ways that you may not have considered. Imagine the cube as a die with a prompt on each side. Use the questions on each side to get you going, but don't feel limited to them. Your topic may seem like it doesn't fit some of the cube ideas, but often that is when you find a new and interesting facet of your topic. Remember that there are no right or wrong answers to these. Just explore and write, even if you feel it doesn't completely match each cube prompt. Here is an example of cubing and how to apply it to your chosen topic. Describe it. What is it? What does it look like? What is it made of? Compare it. What is it like? What is it not like? How is it the same as something else? How is it different? Associate it. What does it remind you of? What do you use with it? Analyze it. Is it useful? Who uses it? Who made it? Where did it come from? Why is it important? Apply it. When do you use it? How do you use it? Who would use it? Where do you use it? Argue it. What arguments can you or someone else make for or against it? As you can see, cubing as a pre-writing technique is a creative way to explore ideas as you brainstorm. You have now reviewed several techniques that can help you generate ideas and explore topics. The more you use them, the more you will be comfortable with them. Consistently using these techniques as you develop assignments will train you to think creatively, allow you to generate ideas of depth and quality, and make the process of writing your assignments much less stressful.